Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy as a gift on Amazon. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy as a gift in Amazon using the Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to open the Amazon web app at amazon.com and log into your account or create a new account. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top of your screen to search for the item you want to purchase as a gift. My dresser will always be the product. Then click on the product that you want to view its details. So that's going to take me right into the product order or the product details page. So right here in the product details page or on this product detail page, go ahead and click on add to cart at the right corner of the screen. So click on add to cart button and no thanks, I don't want protection. I just need add to cart. And now that we're here, go ahead and click on proceed to checkout. And that's going to take you right into the checkout window. Over here on the checkout page, go ahead and look for an option that says, "This is a gift." Okay, we're looking for that. So here we go. So after searching and you realize that you can't really find that option, then you just need to take a step backward. Take a step backward and it's going to take you right into your cart page. Now in your cart page, head over to the left corner of the cart page and you say subtotal 2 items. So just right above proceed to checkout button, you're going to see this option that says this order contains a gift. Now check the box that says this order contains a gift. Once you have checked this box, that's it. So once you check that box, you may see options to add a gift message and select gift wrap if available. Then just go ahead and fill out these options as desired. Right now, this page is not responsive, but this is literally what you're going to see once you click on this order contains a gift. So once you're done, go ahead and click on proceed to checkout and that's going to take you right into the checkout page. Now in the checkout page, enter shipping address. That's where we were, where you want the gift to be sent. And if you want it to be delivered to the recipient, enter the address there and ensure that the delivery options are set according to your preference. Go ahead and review all other details, including the item, shipping address, and gift options, and make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Choose your payment method and click place your order to complete purchase and you'll receive an order confirmation email with the details of your purchase. If you selected gift options, the recipient will receive the gift wrapped and with your message included. Some items may not be eligible for gift wrapping, so be sure to check the options if the options are available. And if you want to buy a digital product like a Kindle ebook, you can send it as a gift by selecting give as a gift option on the product page instead of adding it to your cart. And that's pretty much it. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.